Hi everyone, this is Zia Maliki from Information Technology. Today I've got another short tutorial for you, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can lock or unlock screen on Windows 10 operating system. Here I am on my desktop and I am using Windows 10 the Professional Edition. So why don't we get started? I'm going to show you two methods how you can lock or unlock screen on Windows 10 operating system. For the first method, we need to come down here and click on this Windows icon. After that, we need to left click on the user account. After that, it will give us three options. One is change account settings, the other one is lock, and then the third one is sign out. Since we want to lock our screen, so therefore we will choose the middle one which says lock. So let's click on that. And there we go, the screen has been locked. Now if we want to unlock the screen, we need to click anywhere on the screen. And if you have password protected your account, it will ask you for the password. So just provide your password and then click on this button. And we have just unlocked the screen. Now let's go to the second method, and the second method is using a keyboard shortcut. The keyboard shortcut to lock your screen is Windows plus L. Let's give it a try. I'm holding the Windows key on my keyboard and then I am pressing the L button on the keyboard, and there we go, we just locked our screen. It's the same way if we want to unlock our screen, we just need to press a key on the keyboard or just click anywhere on the screen. Once we do that, it will ask us for the password of our account. Now I'm going to provide the password and then hit enter. And there we go, we just unlocked the screen of our Windows 10. So guys, this is how you can lock or unlock your Windows screen using the two methods that I just showed you. I hope this video was helpful. If you have learned anything from this tutorial, then please give it a thumbs up and also share with your friends who might need such assistance. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do so. So this way you will be able to get notification for the future videos that I publish on my channel. So till next video, it's goodbye from us.